Hey there everybody, we have another unboxing today. This knife has been around for a while and there's a lot of reviews of it on YouTube, but I finally got one and I'm going to review it today. It is the Mora Kansbol. A very popular knife. Okay, let's see what it says. It's a stainless steel blade, Swedish stainless steel. It is 4.3 inches or 109 millimeters, and that's the blade length. The overall length is 8.9 inches, 226 millimeters. The blade thickness is 0.1 inch or 2.5 millimeters. The net weight is 4.7 ounces, 134 grams. And it has a 90-degree sharpened spine. So you can strike a fire steel with this Mora just like you can with the Mora Garberg and the Eldris. So let's get this unboxed and get a look at it. Okay, here it is outside of the box. I just got it opened up. It comes with this plastic loop that goes up the outside of the sheath. And then it has a little piece of leather riveted onto it so you can wear this as a dangler on your belt. And it also has a slice in it, I guess, if you wanted to put your belt through it. And it's got the two water drainage holes that most plastic Mora sheaths are famous for. And this belt loop slides on and off, so if you if you don't want it on there, you don't have to have it on there. Let's get it out of the sheath. Well, the first thing I noticed is that it has drum tight retention in the sheath. It is extremely tight in there. And you can put a heat gun on these and soften the plastic and like squeeze them a little bit if you need it to be tighter, but this one is excessively tight, so that's a good thing. It is not full tang like the Garberg. The tang goes to about maybe just halfway or slightly over halfway like most Mora knives. It says MoraKniv, made in Sweden, stainless. See if you can see that there. And it looks great. It's got a nice thickness. Oh yeah, you can definitely feel how sharp this spine is. It's going to definitely throw sparks. It's kind of a satin finish on the blade there. It's got the dual kind of Scandi grind. Gets a little thinner up near the tip. Its grind reminds me of the Mora 2000, the outdoor knife. And the difference is, though, is this steel looks and feels different. It feels hardier, like a lot tougher than the outdoor 2000 knife. I like the handle on this. It's got kind of a, like this bottom and top here is kind of rubberized, and this is more of a hard plastic in the center. So you can put a lanyard on there also. But real nice grip. That's a good grip there. Okay, here it is on a different backdrop color. And I'm going to show you what I meant by, here's the Mora outdoor 2000 knife. See how different the sheath is compared to like a regular sheath for Mora. Okay, this is what I was talking about though. See it's going to be hard to see here, but see how it has that similar grind on the blade? It's more of a mirror polish, not quite mirror, but close. It also says stainless steel. but it's kind of blurry. The spine is not sharpened on this. Like, it really doesn't throw a spark good at all unless you use the blade, which you don't really want to do. This knife came sharp, and this entire center here is like rubberized, so it's got a lot of really good grip on it. Has this unique sheath, which is pretty cool. I have a lanyard on there, kind of like wear it like a neck knife, because it's very lightweight. It has a partial tang also, but that's how similar this one is. Blade links look like they're pretty much identical. And I've done a review before on my Mora Garberg here. This is my absolute favorite bushcraft knife. For the money, it's extra thick, even thicker than the Kansbol. You can see that there. And it is full tang. It has the same kind of rubberized grip there, exactly like this one. And this green one feels a little bit more rubberized than this one. This one feels a little bit more plastic-like, but there still is grip there. You can definitely feel it. This just has the regular Scandi grind the entire way, which I prefer, and it's just hardy. This thing is my knife. Everybody should get this knife. That's my honest opinion. If you can't afford it, and it's just out of the question because it goes for about $80, $90. And I got the multi sheath where you can hook it with MOLLE compatible and everything, but I only have it in this sheath right now. Excellent sheath, awesome carry option. This retains it in there. But if you cannot get this, this is the better knife. But if you can't get it, then at least get this one, because this is as close to it as you're going to get. That's my opinion on that. And this is it beside the little Mora Eldris neck knife, which they seem pretty similar. This has the sharpened spine. It's about the same thickness. The grind is a little different, as you can see. But I think this is more similar to this. It's just the grind is slightly different, but if you have this, it's kind of like this. And here is the Kansbol with the Mora companion in high carbon steel. And it has some patina on the blade there. And then this is the Mora companion, and it's just black. This isn't the bushcraft black. This is just the black version of the companion. Okay, just wanted to show that off, the unboxing real quick. I will do a paper cut test. Okay, here's a fresh sheet of printer paper. Here is the Kansbol, straight out of the box. Very sharp, very good knife. Well, that's all I have for this review of the Mora Kansbol. This is Joe Doomsday signing out.